Alright, welcome back to another video, people. And on today's video on the channel, we will actually be talking about how HIV-2 can affect your immune system, right? When we talk about HIV-2, one of the most important things to understand is how it interacts with the immune system, because that's really the main thing the virus attacks. Now, although HIV-2 behaves similarly, as I mentioned in a previous video, to HIV-1, the way it interacts with our defenses is part of the reason it spreads more slowly and often causes milder diseases for many years. Now, when HIV-2 enters the body, its first target is usually the white blood cells. The white blood cell, specifically called CD4 T cells. The T cells tell the immune system what to do, right? HIV-2 gets attached to these cells and then gets inside and begins copying itself. Over time, this process can reduce the number of CD4 cells and weaken the immune system, right? Now, HIV-2 generally produces a lower viral load compared to HIV-1, meaning fewer copies the virus circulating in the bloodstream, right? When the viral load is lower, the immune system has a better chance of keeping the virus under control for a longer period. The immune system tries to fight HIV-2 by sending out cytotoxin T cells, right, which hunt and destroy infected cells. In many people with HIV-2, these responses remain stronger and more effective for a longer time. That's another reason HIV-2 can be held in check more easily in earlier stages and middle stages of infection. If the CD4 count drops low enough, HIV-2 can eventually lead to AIDS, just like HIV-1, right? But that progression usually takes way longer. And generally, you're not going to be, if you catch it early enough, you can start to treat it before it ever reaches that stage, right? Now, that's really all. I mean, it affects your immune system in a very negative way, but not as bad as HIV-1, right? Because the attachment proteins and all that, they just aren't at the same as HIV-1, which causes the slower progression to AIDS. So, But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new from this video. Hope to see you on the channel again soon. That's all. Bye-bye.